Hi everyone, this is Romit from Epicenter AI, and in this tutorial, we'll look at how we can link tables in Airtable. Um, by the way, I am the founder of Epicenter AI. We automate businesses using no-code tools like Make, Zapier, Airtable, and help you increase your efficiency in your business and also save loads of your time. Okay, so in this video, we'll look at how we can link tables in Airtable. Uh, so let's get started. Um, I have created a base just for this tutorial, and we have contacts table, company table, orders, products, order line item, product category. We'll see why I have a order line item table here. So you know, contacts is something where we put information regarding a contact, right? And if I have to link it to a company table, when I do this, so it asks me if I need to allow linking it to multiple records. So one person can't be in two companies. Okay, so I will basically uh, check this off so that one person gets associated to one company. Okay, and I click on create field. And by the way, when we link two tables in Airtable, it's the reciprocal also is gets created. That means the other table also gets linked to the first table. So you know, once this field gets created, I'll quickly show you what happens on the company side of things. Okay, so there is a company field we have created which is linking contacts to company, and on the company there is a contacts field which got created which is linking the company to a contact. Now here let's see if we can allow linking to multiple records. Now if you think about it, a person who may be working in a company and multiple such people may be working in that company, and you may be in contact, and both those guys may be uh, prospective leads or contacts for you. So our company can be linked to multiple contacts. So here I'll keep this checked and allow multiple records getting linked to a company. Okay, so when you link two tables, you have to give a thought on whether this multiple linking is a possibility from table 1 to table 2, and also from table 2 to table 1. Okay, hope this point is clear. If this is clear, 90% you have understood how you can link two tables in Airtable. Okay, so let's come back to contacts. We have linked the contact to a company, and of course, this contact may have more such fields. We'll not go into details of such fields here because the scope of this video is with respect to how we can link tables and what are the concepts involved when we link two tables in Airtable. Okay, so that the inline architecture of your data doesn't go wrong. Okay, so here I've taken an example of let's say you have a jewelry store, and people are placing orders for various products in your store. It could be offline or online orders, whatever it is. And we are keeping a track of those orders and also the inventory, plus the contacts and the company those contacts are associated to. So the customers and the companies they're working in. So if we move towards orders here, now we have to see what are the other fields which can come inside contact. So one other field which can come inside an order is the person you are creating an order for. So here that would be a contact field. Okay, so we'll link to a contact allow linking to multiple records. So can one order be linked to multiple contacts? I don't think that's a very practical scenario. So we'll just check this off. Okay, and allow linking to only one contact at a time for an order. Okay, and similarly on the contact side, you will have an orders linked field got which gets created automatically. Here, one contact may uh, you know be placing multiple orders with your company. Okay, so here this allow linking to multiple records can be set to true. So I'll just leave it like that. Okay, hope this is clear. Now, apart from the contact, you know who is placing the order, the other detail which an order contains is the product. Okay, now if I directly link order to a product, if I try doing that, let's try doing that quickly. So sorry, linking to product. Okay, allow linking to multiple records. One order may have multiple products you know inside it, so we will allow this. And when I do this, uh, you know what are the kind of products I can add in an order. So contact, let me add one contact here. These are just some uh, dummy data I have put. Okay, and products, as I mentioned, we are considering a jewelry store here, which has, let's say, these many products, 4 products with also product category being earring, necklace, and nose pin. Okay, now if I take and start putting in multiple products for that order, you know in a single cell, I cannot put the quantity of that product. Okay, which means uh, internally or architecturally I am doing something wrong. Okay, so I'm basically finding it difficult to directly link order to the product. Okay, so in this case, what we need to do is we need to basically make use of something known as junction table. So I'm not able to directly link order to product because each order may have multiple products, and each product may have multiple quantities in it, which I'm not able to put in a single cell. So what I'll do is I'll quickly delete this field, okay, because this is not working. Similarly, from the product side, this orders field got created. So what I'll make use of is an intermediary table or a junction table known as order line item. You can name it whatever you like. This would basically contain one row for each product. Okay, in that order. Okay, so basically, when I start entering the different columns which this particular table can have, let's link it to, first of all, orders. So uh, this line item table contains one order in that row and one product with its quantity. So we will check this off. We will not allow multiple order records here. Okay. Second thing is we have to link this to products. Again, as we discussed, order line item means one row for a product for an order. Okay. So this can't have multiple products associated in a single record. One order, one product. Okay. Next thing which can come is basically a quantity field for that particular product, because one product in an order may have multiple quantities. I may be ordering more than one item in an order, right? So this would be a normal, basically number field, I would say. Uh, Let me look for a number. Yes, number quantity. All right. So I've created this quantity field, right? And what else can come in this line item? Another thing which can come is the subtotal. Okay, this could be a formula field where what we'll do is we will basically do a multiplication of uh, the quantity and the unit price of that particular product. Okay, so here one thing which we didn't add, let me quickly add the, let me get the unit price, okay, which is a lookup field, because unit price for that product already exists in the products table. Okay, so this would be a lookup field. Okay, and where we are looking up inside the products table, the field is unit price and the formatting is currency. Okay, so this field got created, right? So let's quickly add the subtotal field. This is a formula field again. So I have to basically do a multiplication of quantity and the unit price. What I'll do is quantity into unit price. Okay. Then I create this field. Okay, and let's also check the formatting. This should be currency again. This should be currency. Okay, cool. So we have the subtotal, unit price, quantity, and the products and the orders getting linked inside the order line item table. Let's come back to products table. One product can be in multiple such order line items. Okay, so we'll keep this on. And similarly, inside the order line item, uh, so one order can come in multiple rows inside the order line item table. So we again keep this on. Okay, so this is absolutely fine. Now let's start uh, putting in some order details here. Okay, so let's say I'm looking at order one, products which can come. Let's say quantity is 2, or let's say quantity is 1. Similarly, another product which can come in the same order, order 1, is, let's say, no spin. Quantity is 2. Okay, unit price is this much. Let's keep the quantity as 3. Okay, and we are getting the, so here also order 1 will be there. Okay, so that's how we have reached till the subtotal inside the order line item table. And also the first field could be like an identifier. Let's keep this as a formula field. So what we are doing is uh, orders, and then keeping one space here between orders and order, and let's say product. Okay. So maybe I've just given wrong syntax here. I think this should work. This itself should work. Let's try that out. Orders. Okay, we'll look at this. Basically, we are trying to combine the order uh, name with the product's name to give us an identifier of the row in this order line item table. Okay. And second thing which we can link here is the product category. So I want to link the products with the product category, which I have not done. So let's quickly do that. Okay. So one product will be linked to only one category. Okay. So this needs to be checked out. Okay. One product can't be associated to multiple categories. One category may be linked to multiple products. The other way is true. Okay. Let's skip this. Okay. And similarly, there would be a, let me delete these default fields which get created. So this one, let's check it out. This is product categories getting linked to the products table, and this is checked. I'll allow linking to multiple records because you can have multiple products under a single category. So this is true for our use case. Okay, like this, you have to think and understand whether multiple linking is possible or not for each and every scenario. And when we are linking two tables, again, I'm mentioning the other table will also be linked to the first table. Okay, so please think about the relationship from both the points of view. Okay, so and and just to give you the terminology, there could be one-to-one relationship, one-to-many relationship between two tables, or many-to-many relationship. Okay, so in this case, contacts to company, we are having multiple contacts which can be associated to a single company. Okay, but one company can't be associated. So one company can be associated to multiple contacts, but one contact can't be associated to multiple companies. So here, it's contacts is connected to company in a one-to-one relationship. Okay, and company to contacts in a one-to-many relationship. Okay, so that's how this particular relationship we can define. You know. Okay, now coming back to our example. So we have this, we have the orders. Okay, because that particular thing is not working, it is giving us wrong results here. Let me quickly check on this. Order one, orders, order line item. So how do we do this? Average. Let's try using the concatenate function here. Hopefully that should solve the problem for us. So okay, so we are concatenating the order number and the product associated for that line item to create this particular field. Okay, and yes, boom, it worked. Okay, and the order, let's quickly put the order here, a single order. Okay, so we have the order line item field also getting updated here. Okay, so if I go back to orders, I see the order line item field being there, and what other thing I need is the total. Okay, so what I can do is I can create a roll-up field and uh, use the subtotal field we created in line item and roll it up for one order to get the total for that order. Okay, so here it will be the order line item and the field would be subtotal, and I will be summing values to see what is the total. And as you can see, the line item total was $20 and $30, and combined the order total should be $50, for which I created a roll up field on the order line item subtotal field, and I got $50 as the total. Okay, so in this way we have created multiple relationships between the test tables which we took: orders, products, order line item. And here we also touched upon junction table in order line item, where we were not able to directly link order and products in a single cell. So we used an order line item table where each record specifies one product in an order, and one order obviously can have multiple such products. The advantage of using that was we can give quantity for in that record for that product, okay, which we did here. Okay. Okay, so hope this particular video was informative. Just to clarify on the types of relationship I was discussing, one-to-one relationship is when both the tables you are connecting, let's say contacts and company, both of them don't allow multiple records to be linked. So here, when we were connecting contacts to company, we didn't allow multiple linking, but from company to contact, we allowed. Okay, because obviously one company can have multiple contacts, and each of those contacts could be, one contact for us. Okay, so this is an example of one-to-many relationship. But here, if I would have checked this also off, then both from contact and company side, both of them have a one-to-one relationship. I can't have one company associating with multiple contacts and vice versa as well. So then it would have been a one-to-one relationship. Now it is a one-to-many relationship because one contact, one company can be associated to multiple contacts. Okay, so this is a one-to-many relationship scenario. And if obviously this is not possible in this scenario, but if I could have associated or linked one contact to multiple companies as well, then it would have been a many-to-many relationship where both table 1 and table 2, you are associating multiple records from the other table. Okay, so then it becomes a many-to-many relationship. Hope it makes sense. I think this is what I wanted to cover in this video. Hope now you will be able to link two tables in Airtable with your concepts clear. So here we looked at roll-up field as well. We looked at junction table as well. We looked at how we can link one table to multiple tables, where products table got linked to order line item and product category, and so on and so forth. Okay, and we also looked at a lookup field where we already had a unit price field in products table. We just wanted to have that field as a lookup from that table directly, for us to calculate subtotal with the formula. Okay, so we also looked at a lookup field here. Okay, so hope this video was informative. And if you want to have a one-on-one for anything related to automating your business, you can click on the link in the description and have a call with me, and I can help you understand how you can automate your business with the no-code tools which we work with. That's it from this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.